BiGDUG pallet trucks, basic troubleshooting. If your manual pallet truck is not lifting, there are a few steps you can take to diagnose and potentially resolve the issue. First thing to do is bleed the pump. The most common issue is trapped air in the hydraulic system. To address this, ensure there is no weight on the forks, pull the lever into the release position as if you're lowering the truck, pump the handle approximately 15 to 20 times. This will bleed air out of the pump, allowing the hydraulic system to be filled with fluid only. In many cases, this simple fix works and resolves the lifting problem. Second thing to do is check the oil level. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the fill plug on the pallet truck. Check the oil level in the reservoir. The ideal oil level should be about 15 millimeters below the filler hole. Replace the fill plug securely. Lastly, to isolate the problem and confirm whether the issue lies in the pump or elsewhere, disconnect the lifting chain from the lever. Lift the lever and the chain should pop out. Ensure the lever moves smoothly without sticking or binding. Pump the handle with the chain still disconnected. If the truck raises, the problem is likely in the handle or chain. To fix this, try loosening the nut at the end of the chain, then push back into place. If the truck does not lift, even with the linkage disconnected, the issue may be in the pump, specifically the valve. Remember, these steps are general guidelines, and if the problem persists, contact our friendly customer services team for further help.